All right, let's see what happens here. All right, guys, so I have fantastic news. My footage was saved, and I stumbled upon this beehive. This is pretty gnarly. Oh, boy. Now I'm gonna enter slowly, but look at this. We have a beehive thingy living in a sewer, and it is pretty nutso, and hopefully I don't get attacked. Let's check this out for a quick sec. Let's check out the A7RV doing its job, seeing if he's surviving this pretty scary Steve Irwin style animal checkout. So there he is, and there they are, and I'm very nervous, but I think they have realized I am their friend, and hopefully they do not decide to turn around and attack me for intruding on their little property here. Wowzers. Right, when you stumble upon a somewhat natural beehive, you gotta film it, huh? So alrighty, what do we have here? A7R5, what are you filming, A7R5? Oh my lord. Alrighty. Interesting. A natural beehive, somewhat, because they live in a sewer. And I think they're getting a little angry, so I'm gonna back up. And this is pretty cool. I think Steve Irwin would have been proud. Get away from my A7R5. Alright guys, I definitely overstayed my welcome. I almost was just involved in a terrible bee accident. I guess with my hat, it's kind of fitting. So thank you, nature gods, for letting me survive that one. And thank you, animals and bees, for letting me hang out in your habitat and without viciously attacking me. Thank you.